Welcome to the Benteh STEAM Academy. My name is Kat, and today we're creating small lanterns to head into the colder months and keep your homes bright. Traditionally, oil lamps were used to illuminate homes across the state. Traditionally carved from stone or using ceramics, this is one that I created with one of our classes earlier this year. Together, we're going to use our tech tools to create your 3D lamps. Proud of how this turned out, and I hope you get some pretty cool lanterns out of it as well. Thank you so much for joining me here today at the Benteh STEAM Academy and creating with me. Remember, follow along for more projects coming up. Have a good one.